Welcome to my channel. My name is Jalen Weems. I'm 18 years old. I'm a Forex trader, entrepreneur, investor. You know the fucking vibes, nigga. Creating generational wealth. You already know what the fuck going on. Alright, but so basically, I got a video here of me basically breaking down how I caught 15 pips and managed to profit $700 off of it in less than 2 hours. So I'm not gonna make this intro too short. I just want to talk about basically how, like, what's going on for this channel, why I made this channel. So basically, I'm gonna be talking about, like, I'm gonna just be filming my journey to basically becoming a millionaire, because I'm gonna become a millionaire. It's just a matter of time. But so, you know, I'm just gonna be on here recording shit, like talking about recording Forex videos. I'm gonna be making just videos of my journey to, you know, becoming successful, basically. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna just be talking about. I'm gonna just be uploading videos about that. And oh, and I know what y'all thinking. Oh, he another Forex nigga. He gonna be trying to sell us his course. He gonna be trying to get us to join his Telegram group, pay us $30 a month to join our Signal group. No, I'm not doing none of that shit. I don't need to do none of that shit. I make money doing Forex. I'm a real Forex trader. I don't need none of y'all money. I don't need y'all to sign up for my groups. I don't need y'all to do none of that shit. I don't have no groups. I'm not a part of no group. Shit, Got Benz is my group, nigga. Shit, that's really it. So, let's just get right into the video and shit, enjoy it. So, starting off the day, you know, your boy, the kid, wake up out of bed, get up out of bed, come sit down at his desk, do his morning routine, technical analysis, looking at the daily chart. I see that for the past few days we've been in a downtrend. Okay, cool. We're in a downtrend, so I'm looking for sales. Come down to the 4-hour chart, confirm that we are still in a downtrend. We see that price has created a lower high right here and pushed back up some. Okay, cool. So now I'm looking for structure. I'm looking for places where structure could be at for price to retest, and so I could get a better entry. So right here we see that price has had a little bit of a problem pushing past kind of this level right here. So what I do is I just mark it up, put in a trend line, and catch as many wicks as I can. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks. And if you come back into the past, you can see that price has touched here multiple times around this area. It does have trouble moving past this point of the this point of price. All right, so now after I've drawn my trend line, I see that, okay, I want to see price come back up and retest this structure again so I can get a better entry in for the sale. So come down here to my hourly chart and kind of want to catch a good amount of wicks on the hourly chart. So you see right here would be good because we have 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, and then price has come up, tested this level, push back down. Price has come up, test this level, push back down. You see it has created a double top at this level. So I just want to see it come back up and test this level again, and then I'm looking for a reversal at this point of structure to get in on a sale. So at this point I'm looking to see on the 15-minute chart what price is going to do. I see we could have had an entry right here because, as you see, this is a I think it's a morning star. I'm not really sure. I just know it's either a morning star or evening star. I don't know which one it is, but see, we have this candle formation right here indicating that there will be a reversal, and you did see the reversal come. The price has came down a few pips, dropped down here, but I want to see price come back up and retest this level again so I can get in on a nice entry. So let's play it and see what price does. Alright, price has created a bit of a lower high right here. And I want to see price move. Okay, here we go. So we see prices pushed all the way back up into this level. So prices pushed back up into this level nicely. Now what I want to see here is some rejection forming, showing that price is going to drop back down. Alright, so I'm looking for rejection candles such as doji candles or evening stars, or just something that'll give me an indication that price is going to reverse again. So you see right here we have price push up into the level even more, push back down, and then we have a little bit of consolidation going. So right here we see that we have a doji and it has touched this level again. So now I'm interested. One doji is not enough for me to get into this trade. That's not enough confirmation. But now I am interested in seeing what price is going to do right here. And I do start plotting out where I'm going to enter it to see actually what I want to do. Actually, let me leave that alone for a second. So, okay, so now we have two indications, because we have a bit of an inverted hammer right here. It has come up, that's close enough touching the level, and then we have this doji right here touching the level. So now I want to get right here, and I want my stop loss to be 5 pips just above this level, a couple pips above this level. I'm not really worried about, most people, they put their stop loss like up here or something. I'm not really worried about putting my stop loss up there. I'm a little bit of a risky trader, so have my stop loss up here a couple pips above the most recent high. So now I'm looking to get carried into the trade by momentum. And since I do have a stop loss of 5 pips, I do want a take profit of 15, because in my trading plan I have a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So now it's just a matter of waiting to see what price is going to do. And we do see price is consolidating a little bit more, still consolidating, and then we do get triggered into the trade right here. So we do get triggered in right here, and we get wicked in. This is not essentially what I want to see as far as me entering into the trade. We kind of get wicked in here off consolidation, so that is one thing that I do pay attention to, is I'm trying to improve my entries. Not the best entry, but it is what it is sometimes. We get wicked in here, so now we're just trying to see some momentum carry us to the downside. We do have a lot of consolidation right here. We do have a double top formed right here. So now I am expecting for price to carry me to the downside coming out of this consolidation. Alright, so you see on the next candle, we're in a little bit of profit, and I'm just trying to see, I'm just waiting, I'm monitoring, seeing what price is going to do. Alright, so right here, we see that price has, we do have a bit of momentum. We have 3 long, nice thick candles coming down to the downside. And let me see, actually, because per my trading trading plan, when price gets to about half, 50% of my take profit, so we are looking for 15 pips. So when price gets to 50% of my take profit, that is when I do take half of my trade off the table. I take half of my profits. I move my stop loss to break even, and I just let the trade run, let it do what it does. So you do see right here on the 3rd candle, we do get that 50% mark right there. So close enough. So at this point is where I took off 50% of my trade, and I moved my stop loss to break even, and I just walked away from my computer. I turned my computer off. This was on a Friday. I turned my computer off. I said, I don't want to see nothing else. I don't care about what else happens. I need my stop loss to break even. I'm now in a risk-free trade. My trade is either going to hit my take profit or it's going to come back and take me out regardless in profit, because I did take half of my profits off the table. So I turned my computer off and I just said, I don't even care. I'll come back to see what it does. So if we just play it here, we see that price did do a little bit consolidating. It did retrace a little bit, but ultimately we did get wicked out of our take profit. Now you might be wondering, okay, how could you have made, if you know what Forex trading is, some of you might be like, how could you have made $700 on 15 pips? Risk management is how you make $700 off of 15 pips. Now, my style of trading, I like to get in the market and I like to get out of the market. I like for my trades to I'm either wrong or I'm right. My trades are either going to move and go hit take profit, or they're going to move and go hit my stop loss. I don't care which one it is, because my risk management strategy, I use a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So basically, I can lose 3 trades and then win my 4th trade, and if I win my 4th trade, I'll be right back at break even. So I don't really care about, I know I'm not going to lose 4 trades in a row or 5, 6 trades in a row, because I wait to see for quality trades, and I wait to see for high probability trades. So right here, like I said, I like to get in and out of the market. I'm a day trader. I like to have my trades be completed within a couple of hours. Maybe trades last 7, 8, 9, 10 hours. I like to get out of my trades by the end of the day. I don't like to sit right here and let my trades drag on for days on end and price consolidating and doing all that. I like for my trade to either go up to my take profit or go down to my stop loss. So that is the reason why I trade with basically a scalper stop loss. That's why you saw my stop loss was only 5 pips. And so when you have the right account size and you trade with the right lot sizes, right here I could have lost probably like $200 if it would have hit my 5 pip stop loss, and that would have been no problem. I make that back easy. So this 15 pip take profit made me $700 plus dollars, minus the brokerage charges or whatever. So yeah, I'll probably put a screenshot of my actual profits, and you can see where once price got to half of my take profit, 50% of my take profit, I did take those profits off the table and I moved my stop loss to break even, and I just let it run. And yeah, this is basically how I just did it. This is basically how it all went down. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And that's it.